In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to view your submission and fix any steps that you got incorrect, and to identify what was done, what was incorrect, and how to fix it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is double click on the project that you want to review your grade for. So in this case, I'm going to do the guided project 1-3. Once you've opened the project, you'll get a screen similar to what you saw when you did the project initially. And you'll notice that here in the view section, you can click on previous attempts, and then that'll show the last attempt that you submitted. And it'll also, if you click on that, attempt 1, it'll open up this screen that'll show you what your score was. In this case, I got 91%. That's because I didn't complete the last couple of steps. But here it'll show you what you did wrong. So, and it'll tell you, it'll give you feedback. Okay, so you can see exactly which ones you got wrong. And see this, in this case, I was supposed to put current inventory value at cost, but I have a typo there. I left out the O in the cost. So I can open up my file and fix that. So I could go like up here and download your submitted file, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to open that up. And remember, I got 91.67. And once that's opened, here it is. I can click on the Enable Editing button. And now I can go down to where that typo is. I can click on that cell and go up here and correct the typo. And so put cost there and enter. And then I can save my file and then close it. And then I can resubmit it by going up here to the project again and then click upload my file. In my case, it's saved in the downloads folder. It's the one that I just completed here. I'm going to open that. Remember, it was 91.67 the first time. And then I could submit it. And this time I got 95.83 because I fixed that problem. I can do the same thing with the other things that I got incorrect. I can click on that and it'll tell me what I did wrong. And I can go back up here and download my submitted file and correct that and then resubmit it. And I believe you get up to 3 or 4 submissions. But if you need additional submissions, you can contact me and I'll give you additional attempts. So, okay, so you'll see it says attempt 2 here. And so I can also go up here to the, click on this again, and I can see my previous attempts there. And I think it'll tell me how many attempts I have left, but let's see, where is that? Anyway, I believe it's 3 or 4. Oh, it says attempt of 4, so you get 4 attempts. Okay, so you got the 4 attempts to fix all your problems and improve your score. And if you need additional attempts, I can grant you those. So anyway, hopefully that helps, and don't be afraid to reach out to me if you need additional help.